So this video is all about the Series 4 Apple Watch. By the time you reach the end of it, you're going to learn exactly how to master some of the great features of this fantastic device. Let the download begin. What's up guys? So in this video we're going to show you a couple of really cool hidden features of the Apple Watch Series 4 that you can take advantage of if you buy the watch or are planning on buying it. You'll know exactly how to use it. That's what these videos are all about. Let's get started. So now the Apple Watch does come with a series amount of storage space, but if you ever do need to check the amount of storage space you're using between storing emails, music, whatever else you're storing on the Apple Watch itself, you can just log into your watch app. You're going to go into general and then you scroll down until you see usage. And that gives you exactly how much storage space is available, how much storage space you've used, and what each specific app is using storage space wise. And this gives you the ability to manage your storage space. It also just gives you some really cool information about usage and standby time and reserved power time in here as well. So you can kind of manage that if you're ever on the road away from your charger. Now, I don't have the best eyes in the world, so there is actually a way here to increase the text size on the watch in case you're squinting to see everything like I do from time to time. You're just going to go into your settings app here, and then you have the brightness and text size here, and you can kind of adjust the text size to your liking. And as you can see, I currently have mine's pretty high. You can make it a little bit higher if you want, but as high as possible. That way you can see as much information as you can for old people with bad eyes like I am. So the Apple Watch itself is waterproof, so you can actually go swimming with it, take showers with it and such. But there is built into the watch a way for it to eject any excess water that may be inside if you ever do go swimming with it or bathe with it. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you just swipe up from the top, and what you're looking for is this little water droplet there. And then you're just going to turn this dial. And that's it. So the watch itself is now expelling any excess water that may have been inside, and that helps to get the watch as dry as possible. So make sure to do that every time you either take a shower with it or go swimming with it. It definitely will help to make sure your watch stays working the way it's supposed to. So now, of course, the watch itself can be used to locate and ping your phone if you ever do misplace it. And all you have to do is swipe up from the top. See that little phone there? And it gives it a nice little ping in order for you to kind of seek it out and locate it wherever it is. Now, one of the things that I like about the watch itself is the ability to have your apps on display, but I'm not really a big fan of the honeycomb app feature here because it just looks a little bit too cluttered for me at times. So there is a way to actually change this view into something different, and it's simply just by hard pressing on this app screen here. And then you have your list view option there. So this actually makes it a little bit more readable for me because all the apps are not bunched together, and I can select individual apps, and you can always, if you want to go back, just repress, and then you can go back to the honeycomb view here. So that's just another way to kind of clean up your display. If you don't like this particular display here, you do have two different options. And also, if you're running short on power and you need some additional power time, you can always put the watch in power safe mode just by swiping up from the top, going into your action center, and then you're going to press your battery display. And then you have your power reserve mode here, and that just gives you basically a stripped down version of everything, right? And the power reserve mode will give you a little bit of extra time in order to get to a charger as quickly as possible. Now, to exit the power reserve mode, you're going to press and hold the side button here, and then that will get you out of power reserve mode. So we'll proceed into power reserve. As you can see, it's just a basic time on the display. So now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out some of our other videos about the Apple Watch. We're making some videos to make you guys get a full understanding of how to take full advantage of all the features of this great device here. Check out some of our other videos on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.